back to my channel. If you're new, I focus on everything fitness, health, wellness, and a lifestyle. So make sure you hit that subscribe button because I'm your fit bestie and it's lit around here, okay? I'm looking a little dusty, crusty right now. So we're about to get it together. I'm about to do my hair, put in like a little bun. I need to wash my hair. I think that's what I'm gonna do tonight. And I got some new products too. Ugh, can't wait to show y'all. But I'm about to get ready because we're gonna film some TikTok and Instagram content today because I want to just stay ahead of everything. And yeah, so I'm about to put on a little bit of makeup, and yeah, so that's what we're about to do. Oh my god,
Ladies and gentlemen, you remember me? Long time. Shorty lurking on my page, better watch me flow. I hit the boomerang and let her watch me slow. I hit the zoom again and let her watch me close. Not to boast, I made it in your face like hibachi stove. I love dealing with a rich I love dealing with a rich nigga, cause he gon' trick and I'm a trick, but he gon' trick bigger. My last nigga was a fraud, it was a big difference. I gave my heart, this nigga put it on a bitch picture. All black in the range and it's been a year. The Cartier cover the frame of these denim tears.
This is how I like my foundation to look. Like, I like my eyebrows to be on point. I like my concealer to look natural, and I love blush. Like, but I want to show y'all my outfit. One, you gonna hold it? Thank you. I'm hungry. Y'all hear my stomach? Bodysuit from Zara. I literally need to get them in every color. I like this neckline because I feel like it just looks so flattering. And then I have these Adidas like windbreaker pants. We're about to make green juice. I know the year just started, but how y'all year been going so far? I feel like mine has been going good. Some unexpected things have come up for me, but you know, I'm just blessed that I am able to persevere. Like I said, my word of the year is persevere, and just stick it out and do what I gotta do. So, you know, I'm just blessed that number one, I have a good, you know, a good foundation when it comes to like my friends, my family for sure, like my sisters and my dad and my boyfriend obviously. So that's like a blessing. Yeah, like if you're going through anything and you feel like nobody understands you, like pray about it. Like you really do. You really gotta pray. Cause whatever you're going through, nobody's gonna understand. People gonna think you complaining and whatever. And nobody wants to feel like they're complaining to their friend or family member or whatever, but literally, like get on your knees and pray. And just try to like be around positive things. Like if you feel like you get on social media and your feed is nothing but things, then what you doing? Are you cleaning the tub, the toilet? And you feel like your feed is nothing but things that are not positive, you need to start unfollowing people. Like that's what I do. If I see some stuff on my feed and I don't like it, I unfollow because I don't want to see that. You know, social media is already enough. Yeah, or like get off of an app. Like I haven't been on Twitter since I don't know when. I ain't like Twitter. Twitter was fun at one point, and then it started getting to a point where it made me sad. Almost kind of how like I would get sad when I would watch the news. That's how it would make me. But anyway, enough rambling. We're about to make green juice. Get you a bag. Y'all know y'all got some bags. So that way I don't have to be running back and forth to the trash can. Yeah. Hey y'all, this is my outfit of the day. I couldn't show y'all because I was too busy recording TikToks. But I just have on this sweatshirt. These are my shorts. And then I have on my huaraches. Y'all look at my makeup. But we about to get ready to go. You ready? Mm-hmm. All right. Hey y'all, we are in Target. Look what they got. I not just been picking up stuff. These are so cute. What do you think, babe? Put them back. You think I should put them back?
No, I like those. Are they cheap?
They're 30% off, $28. What's that?
That's, well, 10% is $2. You gonna handle something?
Oh no.
Hey, you are literally a teacher.
I hate doing that. Get somebody else to do it. Should I get the black or should I get the pink?
Okay, I'll tell you when you start I tell you,
Y'all, we're about to get ready and go watch the fight. I don't know how I feel about this red lipstick. I haven't worn red in forever. We're about to head to see this fight. What fight we're about to see, babe?
Tank.
Tighten up, tight. So, quick story time. We were at this, last time we was at Twin Peaks, y'all, this guy, so we sit at the bar, was having our drinks and stuff, like we always do. And it was a guy, y'all know, I don't know, it's kind of hard to explain if y'all don't know about, like, boxing. But it's this guy named Tank. He was, like, the star boxer or whatever. And it was a guy in there. Basically, y'all know how black people are. Like, when we get passionate, we get, like, loud. So he was like, tighten up, Tank, tighten up, Tank. And so, like, every time we go to, like, I don't know, what is it called, a boxing match? I don't want to say no game. But every time it's a match, it is Tank or something, we always, like, joke about it because
he was obnoxious.
He was very obnoxious. I don't know nothing about boxing, but every time I go, y'all end up having a good time. Like, I don't be wanting to go because, y'all, it starts so late. We be there at the place from like 8 to 1 in the morning, but the camaraderie and all of like the, what is it? Is it camaraderie? Yeah. All the camaraderie around the sport is just so hype. I like I'm about to tell a scary story. Hey y'all. I'm about to cook me a late lunch, early dinner, and then we're gonna go to sushi. I gotta get ready, so y'all gonna either get ready with me or whatever. But yeah, so for my meal prep, we're gonna make white rice. Do I want white rice? Do I want quinoa? Let me see if I got some quinoa. I don't know what I'm gonna do. We'll see when we get there, but I'm gonna do salmon, white rice, and then green beans. So I'm excited. It's gonna be like a teriyaki. I haven't really showed y'all the entire like meal and how I do my teriyaki salmon, but it's so good. So let's get to it. Hey y'all, I'm all dressed. Look at my hair, it's so pretty. Y'all, my hair feels so soft. I think I told y'all about the products. My hair feels so good. Well, I'm about to head to sushi with a girl that I met. Well, we haven't met yet, but we became like cool on TikTok. And I had reached out to her because she be going to some of the same restaurants that I go to. Like, I hit her up and asked if she wanted to go out to eat or do something, so we're about to go to sushi. My outfit is really simple. I actually threw away a lot of my clothes because I just want to like a whole new wardrobe, you know what I'm saying? But this is my simple fit, just this t-shirt. It actually comes with a set that I sold. I don't sell them anymore, but it came with like some biker shorts, and then I have one of these jeans from H&M that I got tailored. So they're like skinny jeans, but they're also like wide leg. I'm gonna bring you guys with me, but I don't know if I'm gonna like, because I don't want to be putting no camera in nobody's face. But yeah, we're about to head out because it's gonna take me 30 minutes to get there, so let's go.
All you wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep. While we doing nothing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning.